Jacob, throw the flag down, honey, please. Thank you. Guys. Oh, no, sis. Eleanor, don't go against the wall, okay? I saw you. Jacob, get off Eleanor, please. Hi, Jacob. Don't do that, please, or we're going to have to turn off the... No pulling on the bounce house, guys. Let go. Addie, do you want me to turn the bounce house off? No, Eleanor. Hey, Jacob and Addie, wave at me and say, hi, Aunt Kelly.
Hi, Aunt Kelly.
Jacob, say, hi, Aunt Kelly.
No. Not my house. No way. No way. Not my house. No way. No way. No way. No way. Hi,
Hi, Ad. Okay, get up. We don't lean against the sides of the bounce house. No more. You guys are going to knock it over.
Knock it over. Knock it over.
Jacob, get off. Sometimes it's an accident in the bounce house, Eleanor.